Welcome to Beautyistic, where we help you navigate the world of beauty with expert insights and honest reviews. Today, we're looking at a product that's been making waves in the nail care world, the ZOYA Mini Color Lock System Manicure Kit. Whether you're a professional manicurist or someone who enjoys a salon-quality manicure at home, this system promises to deliver long-lasting, shiny results. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The ZOYA Mini Color Lock System is a three-step system that includes a base coat, a color lock top coat, and a remover. The kit is designed to give your nails that glossy, fresh out of the salon look, and it's formulated to lock in color while enhancing durability. It's perfect for anyone looking to prolong their manicure and add a layer of professional-grade shine to their nails. In terms of ingredients, the ZOYA Color Lock System is free from harmful chemicals like formaldehyde, toluene, and DBP, which is a significant plus for those of us who are mindful of the ingredients in our beauty products. The base coat prepares the nail for a smooth application, the color lock top coat seals in the color for a durable finish, and the remover ensures that you can take it off without damaging your nails. Let's talk about how this product works in real life. I've had the chance to incorporate this system into my usual manicure routine, and I was impressed with how easy it was to use. The base coat glided on smoothly and dried quickly, creating the perfect canvas for my nail color. I then applied my favorite ZOYA nail color, followed by the color lock top coat. The top coat was where the magic happened. It gave my nails a brilliant shine that lasted well past the usual 3 to 4 days I typically expect from home manicures. After a full week, I noticed minimal chipping, which was quite impressive. What's also great is that this kit didn't require any special tools or techniques. The steps are simple, which is ideal for beginners or those who want to create a long-lasting manicure without a lot of effort. The only downside I found was that it didn't have a super fast drying time like some other systems on the market, so I had to wait a bit longer than usual for the top coat to completely set. Pros? The ZOYA Mini Color Lock System definitely shines in the longevity and shine departments. If you're looking for a product that will give you that just-done look for days, this system is a great choice. The formula is also much safer than many other nail products, thanks to its free-from stance on harmful chemicals. As for cons, the drying time could be improved. Also, while the kit works well, the price may be a bit higher compared to some drugstore options. If you're looking for something super budget-friendly, this might not be the go-to choice. But if you're after professional quality results at home, it could very well be worth the investment. Now, how does this product stack up against others in the market? If you compare it to similar offerings, like Essie's Gel Couture system or OPI's Infinite Shine, the ZOYA kit stands out because of its formula that is free of harsh chemicals. However, in terms of price and drying speed, other systems may provide quicker results if you're in a rush. When it comes to build quality, ZOYA has always been a brand known for creating durable, salon-quality products, and this system is no exception. The packaging is compact, which makes it easy to store and travel with, and the bottles are just the right size for a mini kit. Now, a key aspect to consider is value for money. This kit does come at a higher price point than some drugstore alternatives, but it provides that salon-quality finish, and the lasting power is a huge bonus. If you're someone who regularly invests in maintaining their nails and wants a more sustainable, chemical-free option, this could be worth the extra spend. If you're just looking for something to get you through the week without much fuss, you might want to check out more budget-friendly options. I should also mention customer support, which I've found to be solid with ZOYA. They have a good reputation for responding to inquiries quickly, and they offer clear instructions if you ever need assistance with their products. Now, if you're considering alternatives, there are plenty of other kits out there that deliver similar results, though many may not offer the same level of commitment to safer ingredients. OPI's Infinite Shine system, for example, is another excellent choice, though it might not be as free-from in terms of harmful chemicals. On the other hand, brands like Sally Hansen offer some great budget options that might not last quite as long, but still provide decent performance for a fraction of the price. So, what's the final verdict? The ZOYA Mini Color Lock System Manicure Kit is a solid option for anyone looking to achieve a professional level manicure at home, with the added benefit of a safer, non-toxic formula. If you're willing to spend a little more for a longer-lasting and shinier manicure, this could definitely be a worthy addition to your beauty arsenal. However, if you're on a tight budget or need something that dries faster, you might want to explore other options. If this review was helpful to you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a review on products like this. Your support helps us keep delivering honest, in-depth reviews for you. And thank you for joining me today. If you've tried the ZOYA Mini Color Lock System, drop a comment below and let us know your experience. We love hearing from you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.